Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make the text larger on the KOBO Clara Colour e-reader. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to the More tab and then press Beta Features. And here we have large print mode, so turn that option on. And once you turn it on, it turns your font up and you'll get this scale where you can use the slider to adjust the size of your font. So it's pretty difficult to control in this if you're sliding, so you're going to have to tap on it to adjust it and see what option you want. So just adjust it to whatever scale you need, and once you're done you can just exit out and your options will be saved. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.